Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to get a public profile on Snapchat, which means if you want to get a public profile on Snapchat, then how you gonna do that. Public profile provides many features to you. So if you subscribe or create a public profile on Snapchat, then you will get many features. The first one is show your name, which means any snaps you send to Spotlight or Snap will show your name, which means that snap will be shown as your name. And moreover, you can also create your build your public profile, which means you can add collection of your snaps from the Spotlight, Snap Map or camera roll, and in this way you can uh, get more Snapchatter friends, which means people will subscribe to you and you will get more Snapchat friends and followers. So if you want to create a public profile, so you have to simply click on continue and your public profile will be created. In this way you can get public profile easily. Hope you have liked this video. Can you subscribe our channel?